guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of Rebuilding That Blue Motherfucker right there. And today, we have the new exhaust for the R6. I'm just going to open it up right now because I'm still waiting for the link pipe. I was going to go with the M4 and link pipe, but that had a back order, so I decided to go with the, like an eBay one. Hopefully it's same quality. And I mean, the freaking M4 one was like $200, and I'm like, damn, that's expensive as hell. I could have literally MIG welded one myself, but I don't have my welder with me. So, anywho, not MIG weld, TIG weld, because TIG weld is perfect. Anywho, I'm gonna open it up real quick, see what's in the box, make sure I have everything, just in case I have to call them and be like, hey, y'all shipped it out literally in a day and got it to my house within a day of ordering it. You forgot something. But, yeah, let's, oh, and then I got a Sawzall so I can cut off the, catalytic converter, and replace it with a high-flow catalytic converter. EPA, if you're listening, I still have my cats on my bike. Even though it's just a bike, it shouldn't matter either way. Anywho, oh, it's so beautiful. I wanted to go with the carbon fiber one, but they didn't have the carbon fiber in stock. So I went with the Leo Vinci, LV10, muffler, or slip-on, whatever you want to call it. And I was originally going to go with the Akrapovic, I forgot what it's called, the Akrapovic GP Motorsport exhaust or whatnot, or GP exhaust. I forgot what it's called. That was the other one I was going to go with. I was literally going back and forth, but the Leo Vinci has my heart. I love the way it sounds. Watch many videos and seeing, like, comparing the two. It's a little bit louder too, which probably isn't a good thing, being that I'm straight pipe at this point. But yeah, like, another reason I went with the Leo Vinci is because I already had a Akrapovic. I had the Akrapovic, I forgot what it's called. Oh, I forgot what it's called. Oh my God, I forgot what it's called, but I had the Akrapovic already. It fell off as I was riding one day. I have no idea where it went. Or under the bridge, I don't care anymore. So I got this new bad boy. Hopefully it sounds good. I'm gonna stop rambling in a second. I'm trying to make sure everything's in here. Oop. I'm trying to hurry up too because my friends want to go on a ride, and I can't install this right now because I'm waiting for the link pipe. I mean, I could install this part right now, but what's the point of installing it and then having to take it back off for the link pipe to be installed? Plus, I don't want to, like, risk damaging it and scratching it and all that. So, all right, trying to see what's in there. Okay, we got the thing for the springs. What's this called? I forgot. The like, hanger extender, and then a bunch of odds and ends to install on the bike. But yeah, once the link pipe comes, it should be here tomorrow, hopefully. Fingers crossed. You know, USPS sucks at shipping items, and hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it was only $50, so I mean, 50 bucks. I'd be surprised if it's really good for $50, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's crap because I paid $50 for it. Or not $50, I paid $90 for it. I saw when it was $50 and I was like, that's too good to be true. Let's go to when it's $90. Anyway, I'm gonna pick the video up when I get the link pipe and we get that installed. Alrighty, and ignore the tripod. Here, the final pieces that I've been waiting for. It is the, I would call it, I mean, it's a wide pipe, obviously, but it's the Cat Delete kit that I purchased off of eBay. I was gonna do with the M4 one, but I'm like, it's the same damn thing. Saw the specs, saw the what it came with and whatnot. The only thing it didn't come with is instructions, and I mean, who needs instructions to know where to cut? Measure once, or measure twice, cut once, and we should be good to go. Literally measured up the exact same as the M4 one, so I was like, might as well just save a couple bucks and do it this way. So yeah, I'm going to take off the headers, off the bike. The cat is already, like, disconnected because I guess the last time I put it on, I didn't put it in the hanger, so that should be the easy part of just honestly unbolting, like, I think it's 8 screws, 2 on each header pipe, and we should be good to go. Hopefully I don't have to take off these damn fairings because that crap sucks. I don't know. I'm probably gonna take the hard ride out and try not to take off the fairings, but I may have to end up taking off the fairings. I don't know. We'll see. sucked. Because since this bike is a 2009, the header pipes came off with a little bit of struggle, not gonna lie. The studs are bent. I'm not sure why, because I've never taken these off before, so it probably was the last owner. Because there's no reason why studs should be bent, especially if they're protected by the radiator and never have been taken off. So I'm pretty sure this bike had a full system exhaust before, because there's no reason to take off headers unless you're, doing that. The O2 sensor was a pain in the butt to get off, but after using the torque wrench twice and almost stripping it, I used the impact. It had some vibration on there, and somehow it broke loose. So we're getting that through. I was trying to unplug it, but it wasn't letting me unplug it. So I was like, okay, we're gonna have to just get this off. So got it off now, and I'm about to. Hopefully, this is the easy part where I just cut the thing up and put the new one on. Hopefully. But let me measure it real fast to see where it sits at, and then we'll catch up with you guys in a second. I had to come to a quick stopping point. So far we have the headers off, and we made like good, I think 90% of the way through of one, and I realized it was a wood blade. As soon as I was cutting through, and I realized it was like weak, and I'm like, why is the blade so weak? It was a wood blade. It was the one that came with the freaking saws also. I forgot to check and see which one it was, so now I gotta stop midway, put everything up, and go get a new blade that's for metal. But so far, like, that wood blade did pretty well. It actually went through a lot of it. I just need to go get another blade because it started getting sketchy, and I'm not trying to have a blade in my eye. So I'll pick it up when I cut through the rest of the header and get that going, because it actually went by pretty fast. Like, I thought that spot was going to take the longest, but it's actually going by pretty fast. So I just got to go get new blades. Alright, got through that one. Now let's do the next one. I don't know why the wood one went through better than the freaking metal one. So got that on there. It took a second to finagle it and get it on, but it's finally on. Whew, man, this is going by a whole lot faster than I thought it was going. That's loud.
That's loud. That's loud. I'm gonna hear your ass now. Well, I always hear your ass, but I'm just saying.
Not no problem now. That was even 4K, bro.
Bro, that's loud.
Okay, so I got the exhaust on, and as you guys heard in the last clip, it is working, but the clamp that holds that, the mid pipe to the link pipe, I don't know what the heck is wrong with that bolt. I tried tightening it down, stripped it, tried taking it out. That bolt, I don't know if it's like the grooves inside the clamp is messed up or what, but that sucker is not coming off. So I'm going to run to the store and grab another one, and hopefully that works. I'm going to take the other one with me, obviously, for reference, but I'm going to try to run to the store and get another one because the one they sent me was janky from the beginning. So yeah, let me, oh, this camera's not dying, but yeah, I'm going to do that, and then, I mean, you guys already heard how it sounds.